Assalamualaikum all of you. I am Angela Komal and welcome to my YouTube channel Angela Komal Academy. How are you all? I hope you are all doing well and will be happy because of Eid. Now all are ready and busy to prepare yourself for the Eid, Bakr Eid. Okay. So in my previous lecture, I discussed about the preposition, types of preposition, and after that preposition of place. Okay. Now in this lecture, now I'm going to discuss with you about preposition of time. So let's get start. Now what is the definition of preposition of time? A preposition of time is a preposition that allows you to discuss a specific time period such as a date on the calendar, one of the day of the week, or the actual time something take place. Means the preposition of time allows us discuss about the specific time which is related to calendar as well as clock. Okay, in calendar we can see date, day, year, month, and in clock we see the time. For example, it's at 3 o'clock, 9:30. This type of information we get because of preposition of time. Okay, now what is the uses of at, in, and on? As we know, we have many preposition of time, but in this video I want to discuss three preposition of time: at, in, and on. Okay, so now we use this at for a precise time, specific time, midnight. Means some specific time means as a 2 o'clock, is a 9 o'clock, this kind of thing. Okay, we discuss about this. And in for month, year, centuries, and long periods. Okay, when we want to discuss about the month, we want to give some information about year, centuries, and long period. That time we use in. Okay, now on, where we can use on for the day and dates. Okay, day and dates means is a day is a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and dates any date 21, 33, 33, not 31. Okay, so we use these things when we see. Okay, so now use this. Okay, as we know, at for precise time. Okay, means at 3 o'clock, at noon, at dinner time, at okay, at the moment, at sunrise. These kind of when we see these numbers and these words, dinner time, bed time. Okay, so that time we can use at because it's a precise time, it's a specific time. We want to show some specific time, therefore we use that time at as a preposition of time. Second one is in. Month, year, centuries, and for the long period. For example, in May, in summer, okay, in 1990, in 1990s, in the next century, in the summer. Okay, these kind of thing. When we talk about the some months and any year, centuries, like long periods, so that time we can use in as a preposition of time. Last one is on for day and dates. So how can we use this? On Sunday, on Tuesday, on 6th March, on 25 December 2010. Okay, this one on my birthday, on Independence Day. Okay, so any kind of day when we discuss, when we inform, so that time we use on as well for dates. Now examples: I have a meeting at 9 a.m. Okay, here is a specific time, and as we know, for specific time we use at. The shop closes at midnight. For midnight we can use at because it's a specific time. Jane went home at lunchtime. Okay, here is a lunchtime. Lunchtime is for lunchtime is a 8. Okay, specific time as we know, and we discussed before, when there is a precise time, a specific time, so we can use at as a preposition of time. So here 9 a.m., midnight and lunch time all are precise time, specific time, therefore we are using here at as a preposition of time. In England, it often snow in December. Okay, in December for the month, as we know, we use in. Do you think we will go to Jupiter in the future? Okay, future, you know about the future. For the future we use in. Okay, so now there should be a lot of progress in the next century. For the next century के लिए हम यहाँ पे in use करते हैं, because as we know, for the long period and centuries we always use in as a preposition of time. Do you work on Monday? Okay, on Monday means here Monday is a day, so therefore we are using on. Her birthday is on 20 November. Okay, now here is a 20. Now we are talking about the date, therefore we are using here on. If here is only November, so we use here in. Okay, if sentence is like that, her birthday is in November and her birthday is on 20 November, because when we want to show month, so then we use that time in. Okay, so when will you be on New Year day? Okay, it's a day, we are talking about day, so therefore we are using here on. Okay, so I think it's now it's really understood that where can we use it in on as a preposition of time. Okay, so here is some standard expression. The use of the preposition of time at in the following standard expression. And now what is a standard expression? Standard expression is that we can use any preposition as it is. Okay, there is a no rule and logic. यहाँ जो है कोई लॉजिक नहीं है, कोई रूल्स नहीं है. ठीक है, इन प्रीवियस स्लाइड्स we discuss about the some rules. Where can we use at and where can we use in or in at. Okay, so now this is a standard expression. So इनके साथ जो है वो as it is यूज करेंगे. ठीक है, there is no rule and logic. For example is that at night. Okay, with night you always use at the weekend, at Christmas, Easter, at the same time, at present. Okay, we cannot use in or on with these words. Okay, now example is that the star shine at night. I don't usually work at the weekend. I stay with my family at Christmas. And we finish the test at the same time. And last one, he is not home at present. Try later. Okay, so now in this video I discussed about the preposition of time, three preposition of time: in, on, at. First we discussed about the uses of three preposition as a preposition of time, and then we discussed about the at as a standard expression. The use of how can we use it as a preposition of time in the standard expression. Okay, so if you like my video, so give thumbs up and share with your friends, relatives and everyone, because of that के उनको भी इस बारे में knowledge हो. And of course subscribe my channel to get new notification. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.